The following seniors have been nominated by their class to serve on their homecoming court. Next week, everyone in the school will have an opportunity to vote amongst these seniors for your homecoming king and queen. Court members, I just ask that you meet me in my room after school today, briefly for like 5 minutes to get your stash to go over a few instructions if you are called to be on our homecoming court. In no particular order, the members of court are, if you could come join me on the floor if you're here, Griffin Alessio. Tess Bebar. Blotnik. Amelia Cameron. Grigsby. Hobbs. Hrvatin.